Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to check if this problem related to WhatsApp or it related to WhatsApp application. So first of all, you need to open your browser and then in the search bar you need to type is WhatsApp down. And then click on the first one link. Here it is. After that, you need to scroll down, and then in this interface, if you see one big spike in WhatsApp outages reported, that means that WhatsApp servers are down, and all you need to do is to wait until they will be fixed. So another one way is that this issue can relate it to WhatsApp application. So to fix that, all you need to do is to open iPhone settings, then scroll down in this list of options. Here you need to find WhatsApp application right up here. And then you need to make sure you enabled all these options such as microphone, camera, live activities, background up refresh, mobile data. So make sure you enabled all these options. So if you still got this problem, the last thing you need to do is to go to your general settings, then iPhone storage, and here you need to find WhatsApp application right up here. After that, all you need to do is to click on the offload app button. It will clear all cache in this application, and then you need to click on the reinstall app. After the reinstallation, all your issues will be fixed. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.